Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions or want to see certain videos, leave them down below in the comments. So as always, let's jump right into it. So today's video is about different moving average times for different time frames, but all on one chart, if that makes sense. So let me kind of walk you guys through this so you could see. So right now we have a 1 minute chart of the S&P E-mini futures, and the yellow line is the 200 period moving average line. The kind of bluish line is a 994 moving average line. And then the purple line is a 2,975 moving average line. Now, you're going to ask, well, what do those represent? Well, what's cool is, let's say you want to see where the moving average is for a 1 minute, a 5 minute chart, and also a 15-minute chart. So I don't have to have 3 charts up to know where is the 200 period moving average on a 15-minute chart, or where is the 5-minute moving average on the 5 minute. I can actually just stay on this one minute moving average, or sorry, this 1 minute chart, and I'm able to see, and this is what the blue line is this level is where the 200 period moving exponential, these are all exponential, where the 200 EMA is on a 5 minute chart, and then also where the 15 minute chart 200 exponential moving average is. So what I have is I have them all. So let's say normally you're like, hey, I want to get long here, and my exit is at the 200 period moving average on the 15-minute chart. Well, you no longer have to go to a 15-minute chart to go look at this. You can actually just stay here and say, oh, the purple line is the 200 on a 15-minute chart. And I'll just kind of show you an example, right? 3,052.43, okay, is right here on a 1 minute. Well, this yellow line is the 200 period, so watch what happens. If we go to a 15-minute period, look at that. The 200 is at 3,052.48. So I hope that kind of makes sense. If we go to a 5-minute chart, okay, the yellow line is just a basic 200 EMA, 30.3475. Okay, well, if we go back to a 1 minute chart, look at that, 30.3467. This is a 200 period exponential on a 5 minute chart. So I hope this helps. What I'll do is I'll leave the link below to this share chart. Okay, I'll share this down below. I'll leave it in the link below. So if you want to add this or grab these different moving averages, it's this one, right? The 994 and the 2975, and then add them, save them, and add them to your own 1 minute chart. Go for it. Have fun. Just want to pass along my information, things I've collected over my 18 years of trading that have really helped me throughout my day trading. Hopefully this will help you guys out to become better day traders and have less things on the charts or less charts to where you're able to consolidate. So as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate that. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.